Creydall Systems, meeting the IT needs of business in South Australia.
The reason that you would pick us is, I find, well, in my experience, I have not come across a business that documents the way we do. We are very, very big on documentation, and if it moves, I document it, and I make sure my staff document it. And you'll often find, even with hourly support clients, that when we do a job, you will often have 3 pages of information as to what was done and how it was done. This is important for you because if it happens again, it means it's going to get fixed faster. If you have to go for whatever reason, or if you choose to go to another supplier, you've got a historical record of what has happened. Documentation is information. Information is power. And if you've got, the more information you've got on your system, the better you are to actually manage that system. So that's what sets us up. That's the big thing that sets us apart. What enables us to do that is the actual systems that we have implemented in our own business, which we've spent $300,000-$400,000. We've invested in cutting edge technology that allows us to effectively manage client data and client information much better than any other system out there. Instead of having multiple silos of chaos and what's, you've got your client information over here, you've got client ISP information over there, you've got a contact database over here, you've got some other system over there. You've got about 6 different systems, all with relating information that is in no way connected. Well, our system connects all that information, and it makes it easy for us to access, and therefore you to access, because part of the managed services is an agent on each desktop which allows staff to see their help desk tickets, to get updates for executives to run reports, and see the state of their IT system as it stands. And so it's very sophisticated, and it's very advantageous for clients that take it on. The other thing is that you're effectively managing your IT infrastructure. So instead of before, where you may have been paying for things when things got broke, and often there's the blame game. Oh, how come this happened? Why did this happen? Who's looking after it? Well, the simple fact is no one's looking after it, because you only call people when something goes wrong. So with a managed service, or with a fixed cost or fixed price, you get a new level of support. You get someone who is essentially a partner, someone who will bend over backwards to make sure that your IT system is up and running, because the reason for that is that it's on their shoulders. They're the ones responsible. We're responsible for our managed service clients. If their system breaks, it's our job to fix it. We don't get paid for it. We get paid a certain amount each month. So it's in our interest to make sure there's as few problems as possible. And so that is one of the other keys to getting a fixed price contract, is that the worries are off your shoulders. You don't have to worry about things anymore. You get it off of your desk and onto our desk. And so, we've got about 8 different ways that you can do that. So we make it very easy for you to integrate into our IT system. So your staff to integrate into us. We have a full-time help desk that runs from 8:30 in the morning till 5 p.m. in the evening, and that is included in the all-you-can-eat managed service, along with on-site support during working hours, is all provided in that one monthly cost, same as the online backup system, which is included. You get your antivirus, you get your anti-spam commercial grade, all included as part of the price on all the workstations. You also get your hosting at no cost. That's all part of the monthly cost. So you basically get everything included in the one monthly price. And
Creydall Systems is the company that manages IT from a business perspective through integration and automation of best practices within the industry.